I just wanted to show you what I think is the best piece of dog related camping or vanning kit you can get, and it's this, which is what Cora is currently in. This is what is known as a Woofbag, isn't it? And this is Cora's Woofbag, and she's had this Woofbag now, as you can see she's in it, she's all snug. She's had this for about 2.5 years now, haven't you? And it is brilliant. I'm going to show some captions of where and when I've used it while camping. But I've now adopted it for use in the van as her little bed and her place. And what it is, it's basically a dog sleeping bag. And it's fantastic. It's so hard wearing as well. I mean, she's had it for 2.5 years, and sometimes when she gets excited she'll grab it. It's got a couple of little holes in it, not because of the quality of the Woofbag, it's because she grabs it and sort of, you know, rags it about from time to time with her excitement. But it stood up incredibly well. I don't think I could find the little tooth holes if I tried to look. It is ace. You throw it in the washing machine, it comes out clean. It keeps her warm in the winter. It's a nice place for her to lay on in the summer. It's ace, it really is. So I can't recommend it highly enough. They're not mega expensive. I won't say the price because I know prices change, but I will put a link for them. And if you go either vanning or camping or backpacking with your dog, please have a look at these. Let's see if we can move her. Come on down there a minute, let me show people. This is the Woofbag, okay? So it's circular, okay? And then the sides, they come up right round. Dog gets in there, you cover them up, and they are as snug as a bug in a rug. Really, best piece of camping kit I've ever had. I'm not getting anything for saying this, but it's the truth. So if you're looking for something for your dog to spend its evenings in, have a look at Woofbags.